Hello my lovely foodies and welcome to Recipes You Like. As you have read the title, we are making the recipe of Neer Dosa. This is a specialty from Manglore. Neer means water. It's almost made with water and is light like water. Let's begin the recipe. To make Neer Dosa, we will take here 1 cup of rice. This is simple daily use rice with small grains. We stay here in Calcutta, so in Calcutta it is known as Pahadi Chawal. In South it is also known as Sonamukhi. This quality of rice easily breaks and gets soft. Now after rinsing the rice couple of times, we will soak it in 1 cup of water for about 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, the rice will get a little bit soft. We will add this to a mixer grinder and grind it into a thin watery milk-like liquid, not discarding the water. Check out the consistency of the dosa batter. It's very thin, watery, having a pouring consistency, and there should be no rice grains in the batter. Next, add salt to it as per your own taste. If you like, you can add here about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. We need to make the batter more thin and watery, so we will add here 1 cup of more water. Total we added here 2 cups of water, 1 cup while soaking the rice, and second another cup just now. Finally, our Neer Dosa batter is ready, which is thin like a lassi. Moving on, take a non-stick tawa, heat it till it's medium hot. Apply about a teaspoon of oil using a brush or a spoon. Then taking a big ladle of the batter, spread it on the tawa, first on the edges and then come to the middle. Every time before taking a portion of the batter, give it a stir. Keep the heat over a medium, fill the big gap, but leave the space where the dosa looks like a net, which is the USP and the beauty of the Neer Dosa. You can tilt the tawa like this and spread the batter evenly all over. An important point, if your Neer Dosa batter is thick, your Neer Dosa will develop cracks while cooking, and if it's too thin, then also it might get cracked. So be careful about the proportion of water. Telling that you can fix a thin batter by adding little bit of rice flour to it. In this clip you can see the Neer Dosa is stuck to the tawa, but now after some time you can see the dosa has left the tawa from the edges, and if you touch it over the top surface it feels dry, which surely indicates that the Neer Dosa is ready. If you want your Neer Dosa to be a little bit crisp, you can roast it over a low heat for some more time and then fold it in half or a triangle shape. When hot, don't keep the Neer Dosa on one another, otherwise they will stick to each other. For the release of steam and heat, we have kept a spoon beneath the dosa. Make and keep the dosa in the same manner and serve them hot. From 1 cup of rice, you can make about 8 Neer Dosas. Neer Dosa goes best with a nariyal chutney or a tomato chutney. You can check out the recipe of the tomato chutney from the link coming above. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.